Hello my friends, today I want to show you a very old Electrican knife. I think it's an Electrican knife because I do not know for what else this tool here could be. I think it's for the cable to how you call it, to demontate the skin of the cable. And it's like a normal soldier. Here we have another soldier. It's the same size, but instead of the can opener, here you have this Electrican blade, I call it. All the other tools are the normal tools of a soldier. I think it's a stainless blade. The soldier which was given to the army are a carbon blade, and this is stamped with Victoria, Switzerland. So you can see at the stamp that this is a civilian model, not for soldiers. Here's the reamer. It's a very good constitution of this knife. And in later Victorinox built this Electrican knife with this Electrican blade. It's a very nice blade. For me, one of the nicest blades of the knives is the sheepfoot style blade. Yes, this is one of my Elox knives, but I only want to show you this one. I think you cannot see this very often, so maybe it's interesting for you that there are soldier style models with other tools than the normal can opener. Yes, thanks for watching, and yes, I promise there will come many other videos with interesting knives. Have a nice day.